To fix issues with Hotspot not working properly on the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, that is, if your hotspot doesn't work properly on other devices, let me show you what you can do. So first of all, we're gonna open settings. You want to choose network and internet, and then go to hotspot and tethering. Now here, choose Wi-Fi hotspot, and what you want to do is you want to go to speed and compatibility. Now in here we have frequency and compatibility options. So if you use 5 GHz frequency, or if you use Wi-Fi 6 hotspot, there is a chance that other devices might not be able to find your hotspot due to compatibility issues. So not every device supports 5 GHz frequency, and not every device has Wi-Fi 6 support. So for that reason, you can, for example, turn off Wi-Fi 6 at first and see if that helps, if your hotspot can be now found on another device. Or you can also switch the frequency to 2.4 GHz to see if that makes any difference. These are the most important settings that you can, of course, find related to the hotspot to make it work on other devices. But besides that, there is also hide my device. So if that option is enabled, other devices, no matter the speed and compatibility, they will not be able to find your hotspot on the list of Wi-Fi networks, and the only way to connect to that hotspot is by using the Wi-Fi QR code. If you want to prevent that from happening, you can of course show your device. You don't really want to hide it in here. And if you want to get the QR code for your hotspot, that is also possible just by turning on the hotspots. First you want to turn it on, and then here we have the QR code icon right next to the hotspot name, so you can tap on it to get the QR code. Now other devices can scan this QR code and connect to your hotspot without having to find it on the list of Wi-Fi networks and without having to enter the password. So that can be very convenient. And that is pretty much all that you can do. Of course, another thing that you can also do is change the hotspot password to something very easy, so that you can be certain that there is no mistake when you're trying to connect to the network. And I assume that is all that we can do in here. There is also this option, by the way, turn off hotspot automatically. Usually the phone turns off the hotspot by itself if no device is connected, but the phone waits approximately like 10 minutes before that happens. So in case you need more than 10 minutes, then you can just turn this option off. However, keep in mind that you have to turn off hotspot by yourself automatically later on once you are done with sharing the access to the internet. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.